Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create an aesthetic video by using Prequel. So open up your video in this app, go to effects, and there's a lot that you can choose from. As you can see, if I go to new, I like this one, which is the floral one. You can select it and you can even adjust the filter if you like. If you don't like too much filter, you can also edit the texture and the flowers if you want it on or off. And then there's just a lot that you can choose from that'll make your video look more aesthetic. As you can see, there's gleam. And if you want to like add filters on top of the filter, I think you have to like save it first. So like export it to your gallery and then you can add more effects later. Press next and then wait for it to export. And that's pretty much it. You're just going to save video. That's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!